Good morning, guys. So this is the kit, and remember I explained to you guys that I didn't consider it to be painted. I considered it to be blush. So I actually have it on the rack and it is drying. So the mapping, you see, that's where I'm gonna try to do the mono root, but I added eyelashes, I added more coloring and stuff like that. Yeah, it's still wet. I'm still doing little things to it. So this is another one. But yeah, this is what I consider me more painting than the from the original video that I let you guys see when I bought this kit, and it said it was a painted kit. I only took it to be blushing. The creases was not done, so if you see I creased it and different things like that. No eyebrows was on. I added eyebrows, added a little bit more modeling brushing. So now it's on a curing rack. It's drying different layers. So yeah, I've got to put a sealer on here, and yeah, this is what I've been doing, been working on. So yeah, so remember I ordered this kit off of eBay, and the kit was considered to be a painted kit. So remember, it was this color, but the only thing it had was blushing. So if you guys remember from there, these are the same kit, but this mouth looked more open than that mouth. See, they're the exact same kit, but her mouth looked more open. So I hope that helps. So I'm gonna try. Well, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna do a better rooting job. I'm not gonna do it like thicker like how I normally do. I'm gonna do it thinner, smaller. This is gonna be a girl. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.